this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we're gonna do an Italian breakfast slice. From the middle, like this, okay? And I'm gonna get you some nice, decent slices. Like that's a decent slice. That's beautiful, look at it. And then that goes on top of here, like so. Is our red roasted peppers. And we're gonna put it just like these. Just like this. Oh, look how gorgeous that looks. Okay, while the eggs are frying over there, I'm gonna go ahead and put some arugula down right now, and then we'll go back, okay? So what we do is I just lay it across like so. That way you can see it on the other side. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put them right down on top. Look at this one, just like this, okay? Just like that. And then this one goes just like that. Look how beautiful that looks right there. What I do is I do this, okay? Look at that, look at that. Look at that, I'll do this one this way, watch this. Look at that, and it's just sort of like that. Huh? What do you think? You like that? I'm gonna give you a little presentation for you here. I think you're gonna love this. This is the Italian slice.